There is a house in New Orleans. They call the rising sun, and it's been the ruin of many awful lives. And God, I know not one. My mother was a tailor. She sewed my new blue jeans. Well, my father was a gambling man down in New Orleans. And the only